Hey tubes, I'm in my Honda Ridgeline, and say I've never seen this before, but say your battery in your remote starts to go dead, you'll get a message like this come up. This video is dedicated to how to replace it. First thing you do with that key, is you take your keys with the white remote. It'll look like this. There's a little slot thing here. You push it, and then the key part will come out. Then you take a flathead screwdriver in here, and you should be able to pry it open. Okay, it's a CR 2032. You go get your new CR 2032 battery. Take your new battery. Obviously, you see how it fits in. Fit it the same orientation. This one is positive up. To get the old battery out, what you do is with your nail or something, right here in the bottom, you can get that out, and then you can just stick your new CR 2032 battery in the reverse. Put the remote back together. There we go. Lock together. Stick your key back in. Let's go check it. Okay, I'm back in my Honda Ridgeline. Okay, no more warning light for the low battery. So that's how you change your remote on a Honda, the battery for it. Later, tubes.